Hello everyone, Harsha. We had our 15 days training session from Alpha Tech Academy, and at first they started our training with full stack web development. We learned about HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It was a really fun training period. It was more of refreshing our knowledge about the entire full stack development. We had it as a syllabus in our college curriculum, and now it was more like bringing out the old pages and helping us remember every single thing that this made us bring out our interest in technology and full stack development. After the 5 days of full stack development, it was Python and other data science. And when Python training started, at first we had our doubts because our Python knowledge was not so of a higher level compared to what people actually want in the industry. And our trainers who had come for our training was really nice, was really sweet. He gave us more knowledge about what the industry wants. In the beginning, he didn't start with the syllabus. He told us what the industry wants or what the industry is right now, and helping us understand what our capabilities or where we stand in the industry, and helping us understand the importance of Python or the data science that we need. And that built our confidence, and by the end of training of 5 days, that built our confidence to the peak, like helping us achieve data science or much higher goals of what we need. And after that, we had aptitude lessons. Aptitude being the main standard that people have set so that we enter into a company or any exam or any job that we have. People need to have the logical skills, people need to have the calculated thinking or mathematical skills that is required. And our aptitude trainers were really great. They showed us a lot of shortcut methods which we didn't know from the beginning. We just knew what addition subtraction was, and later we found out that there's more to that, and every single percentage matters. And that helped us, and that brought out the curiosity in how we can solve different type of problems in a much easier manner. And at the last, we had soft skill training. The soft skill training helped us refine our language skills, our resume making skills. It helped us to build a proper profile as a professional moving out of the college. It helped us in more of involvement towards the industry than towards student curriculum. And the group discussions or the interviews or mock interviews, it made sure that we are confident enough to face a stranger who actually asks us questions and let us into an industry or a company that will actually believe us and make us feel like a professional in the field that we chose. And I would like to thank Alpha Tech for helping us with all this and giving us such confidence to move out of a very close, protected student environment into an industry which is very professional and fearful sometimes.